Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe. So it is Thursday evening now, and I don't have any more classes for the rest of the day, or actually the rest of the week. So I really want to relax because I just haven't had like a weekend where I just didn't do anything, didn't do much, like stayed inside. So I really wanted this to be like a relaxing weekend vlog. So right now I'm heading to Target because I really want to bake this weekend. I haven't baked in a really long time, and if you had me on Instagram this summer, you know I was baking like every single day. So like I'm having withdrawals right now. I also wanted to try this new seafood place by my school, so after Target I'm gonna head there and probably pick that up for dinner. And yeah, that's pretty much the rest of my night. I'm probably gonna just have a really chill, like, you know, relaxing weekend. So it's about to be like 4:30 p.m. and I haven't even been outside all day, so I don't know how the weather is, but I just have this white teddy coat on that I got from Bershka like a couple of years ago. I have my school hoodie on, some olive green sweatpants, and then my Air Force Ones, and then of course my favorite tote bag because I take this everywhere I go.
Used to be obsessed with Lindor chocolate. Like, so good. So good.
Stop.
Just wait for it to focus. Like, it just melts in your mouth.
It's melting your mouth.
You would say that?
Okay, I would not say that. So I bought the seafood and it looks amazing. So it has like corn in there, let's see, snow crab legs, shrimp, and I think mussels. And this literally, like, when I tell you my entire room smells like it actually smells so good. And then they also gave us the bibs because, you know, they had to. We also got some gloves here so we don't get our hands or nails dirty. It's just beautiful. Good morning everyone. So it's now Friday. It's about to be 12 p.m. so it's literally about to be afternoon right now. So I don't have classes today, but I really want to do some work before the weekend hits because I'm not trying to do anything this weekend. So I'm heading to a cafe just to do work and like to pick up food. So this is my outfit. So I'm wearing this green crew neck sweater from Champion, these mom jeans from Zara, and these Air Force Ones from Nike. So better fit. Got some mighty patches as well. It's so pretty. So my boyfriend actually just surprised me with this bag. I don't know if you've seen this on social media, but it basically is this brand called Brandon Blackwood NYC, and they're actually a black-owned business, so go support them. But they have these famous tote bags that just say "End Systemic Racism," and I just think it's so cute because, you know. And I love the texture of this bag and the size. Like, it's small, but it seems like it can fit a lot. And then it has that like beach bag kind of, you know, material. So yeah, I'm so happy and I'm so thankful that he got me this. And yeah, can't wait to like pair so many outfits with this. So I finally put the stickers on my laptop case. And if you're in college, then you know that, you know, fraternities or sororities will usually have sticker sales. And I swear I bought these stickers like a year ago, but I was procrastinating on buying a new case. So I just had them sitting in my desk collecting dust pretty much. So I'm really happy that I finally put them on because I'm surprised I even kept them for this long without losing them or without them getting wrinkled. But yeah, I seriously love this case. I think it's so cute. Like, I love the minimal, like, it's just my vibe. Like, if you know my aesthetic, then this case is my aesthetic. But yeah, I just love, you know, my Gossip Girl. You know, I'm a Gossip Girl fangirl, so had to get this sticker. Of course, got my YouTube sticker because, you know, YouTuber here. And then also have this random sticker that I found that just went with the colors of the other ones. So yeah. And I know you're probably wondering, like, why is she devoting time to stickers in a video? But this is the kind of stuff that brings me joy. Like, it honestly brings me joy to see certain things like this. So don't mind me at all. So it's now like 5 p.m. and honestly, this daylight savings time is throwing me all the way off. Like, I'll think it's like 6 or 7 and then it'll be like 4:30. So everything is just like messed up for me right now. But I'm in the mood for Starbucks, but it's kind of a walk and I just don't know because it's like a little cold outside. But I really want a refresher. Like, I don't know, I've been craving that for a few hours now. So I think I'm just gonna get up and walk. And I think I also want to order Thai food tonight. I don't know, like, depending on how my bank account is looking. But remember, this is a relaxing vlog. This is self-care, which means I'm gonna just keep spending money without thinking about it. And yeah, we'll think about it later when it doesn't matter anymore. So my Thai food is finally here. Only took over an hour to come. Thai spring rolls. So that's really good. And I love the sauce that they usually give for spring rolls. Like, whenever I order Thai food, it's just so good. And then I also have some pad Thai. I usually like to get it with beef. Like, pad Thai is so freaking good. So yeah, this is my beautiful dinner for the night. I'm very excited. Like, I get excited to order food from places that I haven't tried yet. So this is a pretty popular Thai place where I go to school, but for some reason I've never had it. So I am so happy. So I'm just gonna eat dinner now and then catch up on Grey's Anatomy because a new season just started. So very quickly, I'm going on a spa date, but the Uber's already here. So I did my hair like a braid out. I have this green long sleeve sweater, my white fur coat from Bershka, my skinny black jeans from ASOS, and then my H&M boots. I'm gonna run out now, so I'll see y'all later. So it is much later in the day now. It's about to be like 7 p.m. So I'm actually going bowling on campus. There's a bowling alley on my campus and I haven't been all semester, and now that the semester's ending, I'm like, I should just hurry up and go. So yeah, I have nothing to do. So my friends and I were gonna meet up now, and I'm not doing anything different for my makeup. I'm just touching it up again. Because if you wear a mask, like, okay, the worst thing about wearing a mask is that you could have like your makeup done so nicely, like, and then you just put a mask right over it and then it just all wipes off. So I'm just literally not even gonna bother like trying hard again because it was a waste. But the spa was honestly amazing. It was so relaxing. Like, it had the perfect aesthetic. It was just like, I don't even know, it just felt luxurious. Like, I was in there just feeling like I was just letting go of all the stress, all the tension, all the, like, everything that has been weighing me down this semester. I just let it go in that spa room. It was just so romantic, and it was honestly the cutest day ever. I'm just gonna fluff my hair out again because sometimes it loses its shape throughout the day. Just gonna spray my face to hydrate it again. All right, we are done. So I'm gonna head to the bowling alley now, and I'll see you guys when we get there. I'm the only one who made something so far.
We get it.
Losers. What do you have to say for yourself?
Listen, it's the come up, okay?
The come up, right. Trust the process.
It's the mask.
It's the mask, right? Throwing us off. I won, even though I sucked at the end. I literally won by 1 point.
I gave it to you.
Love to see it, love to see it. So it is about to be 10 p.m. now, and I really wanted to bake today. Like, I had to go on a hunt to find 2 eggs, and it took me forever, but I finally did it. And I honestly want to do, sorry, I cannot breathe in this mask. I honestly wanted to make the Levain Bakery cookies. If you don't know Levain Bakery, they're a popular bakery in New York City, and their cookies are amazing. So I found this like recipe on TikTok. So I really want to try to make it tonight, and yeah, I have nothing better to do, so why not? So I have my ingredients. So I have sugar, chocolate chips, unsalted butter, walnuts, brown sugar, flour, cornstarch, and eggs. These cookies actually don't need vanilla extract, which is perfect. So I'm gonna start making them, and hopefully this goes well. I'm gonna be so sad if they come out ugly. I baked a lot this summer, so this is honestly therapy for me. Like, I've been feeling a little bit anxious and overwhelmed lately, so I'm really excited to just bake and relax tonight, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm following the new recipe. Hello, we have special guests here.
We're gonna be in the vlog?
Yes, they're watching me struggle.
She's a hard worker.
Hard worker. Can you see the flour? Yes.
And the mask.
The mask. This is 3/4. I'm gonna say this is 3/4.
Okay, that looks good.
Okay, 3/4 baking soda, teaspoon baking soda. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna add the chocolate chips in a second, but I just want to mix all the dry ingredients together. So this recipe calls for 2 cups of walnuts. I'm not sure if I have exactly 2 cups, but I'm just gonna probably use this whole little bag that I got from Target. My walnuts in there. So this is 1 cup, and then I'm gonna add another cup as well. I'm a little nervous, to be honest. As you can see, my mask is a product of how messy I am when I'm cooking. Oh my god, guys, you need to see how these cookies are looking right now. I swear I don't know what went wrong, but this is just, you know what, I'll just let you see for yourself. This is how my cookies look right now. What the, oh my god. I literally followed the recipe. I don't know if I went wrong somewhere, but this is what we're working with. So we just have a nice little puddle here. Puddle here, puddle everywhere. Oh Lord. So this is the update on how the cookies look 15 minutes later. It's a puddle. It is a puddle. So I don't know where I went wrong, but this is honestly what High School Musical was talking about. Stick to the stuff you know, because yeah, these cookies are a disaster right now. So this is my first time changing up my cookie recipe, and honestly I should have just stuck to what I knew. I just really wanted to try something new, and yeah, it just didn't work out. But I will not stop until I perfect this Levain Bakery recipe. Like, I think this is my new Thanksgiving goal, to make these cookies correctly, because this is embarrassing. Like, this, are you not embarrassed? But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat it anyways, and I'm gonna eat it proudly because I was stressing so much to make these cookies. So yeah, I'm gonna eat them anyways. So I've already showered and done my skincare. It's like 12:30 a.m. right now, so it's getting pretty late. But I wanted to work on a project that I work on for my RA role, and it's called a social justice advocate. So every month, Sam Ragi and I, you've seen her in my past vlogs, we post a social justice magazine where we basically talk about current events, and we publish them for our entire like community, or you know, RA community to read. So I think it's really cool, and it's honestly like a really fun project for me. It's really therapeutic because I get to do something that I'm passionate about, but also get to spread awareness about like current issues that are happening in our society. It is now Sunday morning, and I honestly have the busiest day today. Like, I always push everything for Sunday, so it's usually very hectic for me. So I have this planner here, so I'm basically gonna just spend a couple of hours just planning my entire week out, because yeah, there's just a lot going on. So for today, I have to finish an essay, I have an RA event, I have to edit this video, I have to work on the social justice magazine, I have to cook today. Like, there's just a lot going on. So I think I'm gonna end this video here because I also want to start editing it to get it out in time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to see more vlogs like this, I'd love to film them. They honestly come way more natural to me than filming a sit-down video. So if you haven't noticed, I've been posting on Mondays lately because I just feel like it works better for my schedule. I don't know if it's gonna be like forever, but right now Mondays at 3 p.m. is what works for me. Obviously, I'll keep you updated with whatever happens, so stay tuned on my Instagram. That's where I put all my YouTube updates. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that everyone is staying safe, taking care of their mental health, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye.